Alright guys, I was at Costco and they had this on sale, so it was a pack of 3. I got 2 other flavors to try out. So this one's the lemon and lemon zest. So this is the San Pellegrino's basically bubbly version, and it's basically sparkling water, but you got natural mineral water, carbon dioxide, and natural flavors. So there's a nature panel. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. Let's do a quick taste test. Alright, there we go. Ooh, that is neat. So I've had the bubbly lime one. It actually is pretty good, but this one's lemon aroma is really good. It has a nice almost like a zing to it. So the lemon aroma really comes through. I would say a lot stronger than the bubbly lime one. So definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel. The only thing is the cans are really small. So here's the mils if you guys want to read it. I believe it is 330. So alright, if you have any questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel.